Hi, myself Sudhakar. I came from People Link Unified Communications, and there I am working as a head for the marketing department. Today we visited this XLR for campus placement drive. So we are happy that we came here to XLR, and whoever we interviewed today, we are very much happy because they have very good knowledge, not only theory, and we can see they have like a good practical knowledge also. They are providing very good strong foundation for the candidates. So we are planning to hire more people from XLR.
Hi, myself Mohammad Khalib, and I'm from People Link. Like I'm a digital marketer of the People Link. We came for the XLR to take an interviews of the SEO and other like digital marketing interviews process. So about the XLR candidates, the profiles, like we got shortlisted. Like if they have a good knowledge on the digital marketing. So apart from digital marketing, they have on marketing other activities like customer support wise or any other like so here we got a good candidates. So more on more SEO part or the social media marketing or the PPC. So like the interview process like was good, and we actually got a good candidates here. So we have taken like more and more candidates from the XLR.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm Mohammad Siddiq, and I've done my digital marketing course from XLR Solutions. The best learning platform for digital marketing is XLR Solutions. What specialized solutions what I have studied in XLR is SMM, social media optimization, social media marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, and etc. The service and the learning platform and the tutors was excellent, and they have provided me a best internship platform with People Link. It was very pleased to have that opportunity to me to explore my skills and execute my knowledge on that platform. Thank you so much.
Hello, myself Sucharita. Recently I have done my digital marketing in XLR, and since digital marketing is the most trending and evolving platform in the market, you can often career here in this field. So in XLR they will provide you intense training and in digital marketing, and the trainer are very well trained and they have good hand-on experience in digital marketing. So they will provide you each and every details and train you perfectly in the field of digital marketing, and after the completion of course they will provide you to work in real field in projects, so to elevate your knowledge and skills in digital marketing. After completion of course also XLR has provided placement assistance for me. Today I have come here to attend a placement interview conducted by XLR in People Link company. So my experience in that job interview is very good. The HR are very good and friendly. They have explained you very well like in which field and how the digital marketing works in their company. So till now I have a very good experience in XLR, and I definitely will recommend you to join the course for your future. Thank you.
Hello guys, myself Nikhil Reddy V. I'm currently graduated with Masters in Management with Sales and Marketing. I'm currently done with my interview and I've done my digital marketing course with XLR. I found the course online in Google in top ranking in search, and based on the curriculum and everything and the professors and everyone were quite excellent in the XLR team, faculty team, and my professor was Mr. Uday, and Uday was a Google certified and Google trained professor. He teaches me digital marketing, and during the classes he was an excellent professor. He used to clarify every doubts, and if I had any doubts post the class period, he used to personally take care into this and clarify the doubts. Today I'm here with people, selling people, interviewing for them, and my interview went well good, hoping for the good. Thank you, XLR.
Hi, myself Rohan. I have completed my degree, and after completing my degree I decided to do digital marketing. And through internet I have got this XLR solutions which has number of ratings, so I decided to join. So after completing I even did projects, live projects. They helped me in each and everything. After doing that they even placed me in interviews, and today I attended People Link company. Thank you, XLR.
My name is Almas. So I'm here to do a campus drive. I'm coming from a company called Dotline. I deal with HR and operations, and unexpectedly I got a call from Ashwin sir. So he was saying about XLR solutions and the way he approached us, saying that the candidates will be trained as per our requirements. So digital marketing was the immediate requirement. We have gone through the interview process. It was quite excited to see good number of talent pools in XLR. We could shortlist couple of them, and we have given some placements as well, even both for the full-time as well as internship. So overall our experience with XLR is nice, and we look forward for a long-term relationship with XLR and the excited team. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rupesh, and I work with Dotline as a performance marketeer, and I've got about like 15 plus years of experience. So today I happen to come here for the placement drive. Rightfully matched few profiles based on the requirement that we had. I'm so happy that XLR did a great job in terms of getting the pool of talents out and training them, and lucky that we are here so that we got the right match and we were able to get it. And thank you so much, XLR. Thank you.
So hello guys, myself Mohammad Tarheeb. I am a graduate from aviation background, and then I thought of doing my course in digital marketing. So then XLR was the best opportunity for me. I took out digital marketing from them, and then I enhanced my skills in digital marketing. They offered me a campus drive in a company called Dotline. They gave us 3 days of good session for student development program, wherein they gave us a good opportunity of learning whatever the skills is required for the interview, for us to enhance our skills and then perform well in interview. So yeah, after the interview went well and I have got selected in Dotline designs right now, and I am excited for the opportunity coming up.
Hi, I am Pinky. I did my MBA in HR. How I got to know about this institute is through Google. And then we got a wonderful trainer whose name is Asar. He used to give theoretical ideas, and for this interview we had a prior 3-day session for just brushing up all the requirements needed to attend the interview, which is again a wonderful thing from XLR team. So I had a good experience in attending the interview session for Dotline company. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Karthik Rannan. I'm the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I'm Raghunendra Singh and I'm the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing good. So today we have our trainer Roshan. So Roshan, you can take up the class.
Yeah, thank you so much. Just a second, guys. Yeah, thank you so much. Good evening, guys. I hope my voice is audible to all of you. Good evening, very good evening, guys. Very good evening to all of you. Thank you, Ekta, for the confirmation. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So let's quickly let's just start our topic. So again, it's already 7 past 6. So let's start that. Good evening, guys. Very good evening who have joined just now, and people who are joining and who are watching from our XLR YouTube channel. So good evening to all of you and all that. So let's go and let's start, guys. Very good evening to everyone. Let's go and let me share my screen. So first of all, we will be completing what we have left yesterday. That was the local SEO class. So what is local SEO? We will be doing that. We have completed off-page SEO, on-page SEO, and the keyword research. So today we will be doing local SEO, and we will be moving ahead to our Google Ads part. We will be seeing some basic what Google Ad is and all that, and some of the basics we will be covering. And tomorrow also we will be continuing with our Google Ad part, where we will be doing some practical. So first today, let's start with the like local SEO part. Let's first understand for the people who have just joined now, and to all the people, what is local SEO? So if I talked about local SEO, guys, why it is important? Let me just pin this. And let me, yeah. Now, if I talked about local SEO, so what is local SEO? If I go and if I type, like suppose digital marketing course in Bangalore, any local thing, like suppose, for example, like now you guys will be giving me answer. Like suppose my family has come, suppose my mother has come, and she's telling me, Kautilya, I want to have a dinner tonight and all that. And she's saying like, okay, let's go to the restaurant. How I will decide which restaurant I will go with my mother? How I will decide? Suppose I don't have visited much restaurant in Bangalore, and I have no idea like, okay, where to go, where to find the best food and all that. So what I can do, guys? How I will find that? Google Maps. You can search on Google. Just a second. Check in Google. Yeah, excellent. We will be going and we will be doing that. Yes. And then afterwards, we will say that what we will be doing after that, finding on Google, we will be seeing the Google rating. Yes, excellent. We will be, obviously, I will be checking the review rating pages. I will be seeing how many reviews are there, which kind of dishes they served, what my mother asked. So I will ask mother, like, okay, what do you want? Veg, non-veg, or any cuisine you are like interested in, like Indian, South Indian, North Indian, whatever it is, like Italian or whatever she likes, Chinese and all that. So again, generally, how we decide for measure of offline businesses when we do not have idea. Like suppose city living in Bangalore, we don't have idea. We don't visit much shop and all that because everything is online. Blinkit is there, a Jepto is there. Everything is delivered within 10 minutes. So again, for offline things, like if I have to go physically to any shop and all, like suppose it will be laundry or even I have to book it online for my laundry service, I will be checking services. So any offline business in this world will need this Google and all that generally. So again, that is where we will go and we will find out. Yes, ambience is there, but again, first of all, the first most thing that we check, 10 out of 8 people check, is they will quickly go and they will check that. Like I will just go here and I will check restaurant near me or restaurant near me, or again I can search a restaurant in Bangalore also I can search. So again you can see here places where I can go and all that. Banarghatta Road is really nearby me, so that's why they are showing that. So again I can like try this. This has very good rating, though this has a lot of rating and all that. And then again I can go to more places, and then again as per the choice. See, this is sponsored, this is paid. Apart from that, this one is also sponsored. Now again, these are the organic one, like that has done organically. So again, you can see here, I can go and I can check, and then I can read out some reviews and all that. And then I can see how much time it could take to reach that. And some of the photos they have uploaded, like for the ambience, and you can see how the restaurant is and all. So that's how we can go and we can choose. not only restaurant, for any offline business, do we agree? Like if first thing that we will be checking, suppose if I want to join gym, I am like you can say I am planning to join that, and I have no idea what gym is good in Bangalore. I will also go and I will search here gym near me, or like I will go here gym near me, and then afterwards I will check like okay which one has the best reviews and all that. So again, if I go ahead, this one again seems to be good. F1 Fitness is also good, and some pictures also I can go and I can see here. So I can call them, I can look into some of the reviews and all that. So it is very, very important for any kind of offline businesses, guys. So if you are doing any business or your client is doing any offline businesses where people needs to go to their offices, where people needs to be physically present and all that, this local SEO is must. And it has many names, guys. People call it local SEO, people call it GMB, Google My Business, and all that. People call it Google Business Profile. Someone call it map listing. So all these are same thing. And but one thing is very important. It is very much important for the offline businesses. But what about online businesses? Is it important for online businesses, guys? What do you think? What can be done for offline businesses? So I can go and I can see the directions and all that. I can go to that place. But what for online businesses? Do we need that? No. Okay, Harsh is saying no. What about yes, website? Okay, we can make only website. Okay. Yes, no, okay, it is a mixed one. But do we agree like for most of the services or product that we buy, we heavily rely on review and rating before deciding to buy that? Do we agree? Whether it's online or offline? Like most of the thing, I'm not saying all the things, but most of the thing, Akhil, I will say that most of the thing we are heavily rely on review and rating. When we say we, I'm talking about audience, I'm not talking about any one individual. So 10 out of 7 8 people take decisions from the review rating that they got. For example, if I have to take a laptop also, na, I will go and I will check the ratings. I will check how many people use that, what is the review, what is the feedback. So for online businesses also, it can be done and it should be done. Why? Because it is excellent place where you can manage all your reviews, basically. It is a yes, Akhil. Why? Because you can say and all that. See, that is different thing. What you are saying, yes, there are always challenges in business. Like generally, if you ask me, there are a lot of people that go, they buy the reviews, they do that. But again, if you talk about audience, we do not have to worry about those people who are doing that. Rather, I should focus on audience, what my audience is doing. As a general, like you can say, people, suppose tomorrow if I launch my digital marketing agency, so what people will do? People will go and they will search. For example, like suppose I launch the agency on my name only, what people will does? People will go and people will search like Kautilya, Roshan, like suppose class, a review. So again, if people will go and people will search, so again, if they will find that, like suppose if they will go and they will find and all that generally, so they can go and they can check, like see feedback from our latest batch of digital marketing and all that. Then again, generally you can see this is ranking one. Then again, there are others places where I am there, like Instagram and all that. People can go and they can check. But if the reviews will be showing here, that will be easier or not? What do you guys say? Yes or no? Like, because not everyone can go in detail and they can find, like, they will be going my LinkedIn and checking that and all that. But again, most of the people I'm saying, when I say most, guys, I mean 10 out of 7 people at least, they will do that. So that is where if you do business online or offline, this local SEO and this review rating is a must have. It is a best place, trust me, to manage all your review ratings and all that generally. Now let's go and let's see how to make one. Is it costly? We have to give money? Absolutely not. it is completely free. When I say completely free, what I mean by that, we just go in Google and we have to type GMB. Let me show you by making one new. Like if I go here, GMB, you just have to type GMB. So what is GMB? Google My Business. So let's do first practical, and then we will see some of the tips what we have to go and what we can do to make sure we are ranking like on the top in the local SEO event. So first let's see here. So when you type GMB, you will get the option of get listed on Google and then Google Business Profile. So we go and we click on this. Once we click on this now, like we go here and we click on sign in generally, and I can sign in with my Gmail ID. So whatever Gmail ID that I have. So for example, suppose if I have here couple of Gmail ID that I have. So suppose I go with this Gmail ID where I go and I typed GMB. So whatever Gmail ID you want, you can go and you can go ahead and you can sign in. Suppose I sign in with a Gmail ID here and all. Now again, like suppose I want to add a new business. So this I already had, but again it has problem because it was the dummy one that I created just to showcase like my student and all that. Now again, let me show you by creating one more. So again, so for the first time when you go, you will land to this page. When you go to GMB and then you will click, for example, when you go here and when you go to this page, that is Google Business Profile page, guys. When you click on sign in, you will get this first page if you have never done the business profile thing. Now again, first though, you have to give the business name, whatever your business name is there and all that. So suppose my business name is like you can say a digital marketing world, for example. So if I go here and I will go and I will just write it digital marketing world. So suppose on this name, my businesses. Now again, if you will see here, there are a lot of like you can say business that already are operating on digital marketing world. On Bangladesh, one is there, and then again digital marketing world in Rajasthan, it is operating. They are generally operating it and all that. But still, I want to have with this name. I don't have any issue by keeping my, like you can say, my shop name like that. Because digital marketing is very generic word. So again, the like if anyone registered for their name and all that, it won't be possible. But since it is very generic, so I can use it. So I can go and I can say create a business with this name, and then afterward category. Now for category, always sometime when you work for a new client or when you go in the company and for in under the company, like suppose you got like selected for a digital marketing service company and they have tons of clients. So any one clients need to get started with this local SEO part. So again, there is always a confusion like, okay, what category I will choose and all. So for that, what I will suggest you, just go in Google and type Google My Business category. Google My Business category. And you don't have to remember it. Again, I am repeating because as a digital marketer, you guys can get any clients, any type of services for which you do need to do the local SEO. So if I go ahead here, Google My Business, uh, like you can say category list. So again, if you search that, now again you will get lot of website that will give you the category and all that. Now again, if I go to the first website itself, now I will go and I will scroll down here and I will find it here. Generally, you can say like you can say the complete list of category. Now again, I can see whatever goes well with my client, I can go and I can take it. So I can see that one time, whatever it is, and then I can choose it. For example, like suppose it is advertising agency. So I can copy it and I can paste it. And I can have multiple categories also, 2 to 3. Maximum is 3, but I will suggest if you find one that exactly represent your business, go ahead and choose one. You don't have to choose multiple in that case. But suppose I am consultant also, I'm a digital marketer also, trainer also, and I am planning to have agency also, then I can choose multiple. I can copy this, I can go here, and I can give here the business category agency. See, it will take that. So just Google it and you will always find that. Then next, and again, after that, you can later also, you can add the category. So don't worry about that. Now again, here the question is, so if we are doing offline, then I will go with yes. And suppose I am only available online, then I will go for no. So again, if I want to add a customer location can visit, if I have any offline visit, like suppose I have opened the office in Bangalore, where again my clients can come and meet me, or where student can come and meet me and all that, then I will go with yes. Otherwise, we will go with no. Like in XLR case, it will be yes, because they have multiple offices in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and many more locations where people can physically go and they can meet them and they can talk about the courses, premium courses, and all that they offer and all that. So here, if I have any physical address, so I will go with yes. So suppose I have a physical address. For example, I will go yes. Then next. Now again, we have to enter the business address. India, the street address. So suppose it is house number. It all start with house number. So suppose house number 20. And suppose it is in BTM 4th, or suppose BTM 2nd stage. And then suppose it is in like you can say Bangalore. And before this, it will be like you can say 23rd May and suppose 6th cross. That is how in Bangalore you have the like address and all that. So I'm just writing randomly. It is not my address. So just writing randomly to show you. But you will be always giving the address of the client, where client should be present. It is not like just for sake we have given to making people full. No, client has to present in that location. Then I will go city. I will choose Bangalore, and then afterwards pin code. So again, pin code is like, if I go ahead, like suppose 560076, and then state. So again, if it is Karnataka, so we will go and we will choose, because Bangalore comes under Karnataka region, state. Then I will go to next. So just you have to fill step by step how I am doing it. Now, do you provide deliveries or home and office visit? So any of this, like suppose if I provide deliveries also, and also a home visit for any like you can say services, like suppose home cleaning, or suppose I have a business called where like relocating, people can order from my Google My Business and all, they can reach out to me, so I can go ahead with yes. Or even if I provide office visit to the people, I can go and I can go with the yes option. Then I will go to the next option here. Now again, the area that I serve. So this is very important. Like suppose if I serve all over India, or suppose I am only available in Bangalore or BTM second stage, BTM, or whatever nearby areas. Like suppose Kormangla, Kodichiknali, Belekali, whatever area that goes nearby me, I can go ahead with that. So suppose I provide in whole Bangalore. So I can go and I can say here Bangalore. Now, if you provide in all Bangalore, then give all Bangalore. But suppose I'm limited to my area only. So I will go and I will go ahead with BTM layout. So under BTM layout, there are 4 stages. So again, it is also big. So suppose I live in BTM second stage. So I can go and I can choose this BTM second stage. And then afterward, next, I can go. Then the phone number, like whatever phone number that I have. So whatever number that I have, I can go and I can give. So suppose my number is 8341647293. Yeah. Now website is optional. If I have the website for that business, I can go and I can give it. Otherwise, I can ignore it. If Suppose if you go for a coffee shop owner and he's saying you like you learn digital marketing, can you make me available on the Google? You can say yes. Do they need website? No, they do not need website, guys. So again, we can avoid this. If they do have, we can mention. Otherwise, we can ignore it. Then I can go to the next option here. Then let's wait here. Let it go. Now again, see. So again, two ways are there. One is phone call and one is business video. So what is business video? A proof where my business is. From the starting, like nearby, what is there? Like what is, you can say a proper location from the starting gate and all, and nearby things you can take a video. Then you can show the like hoardings, business hoardings and all that, and then you can upload the video. Sometime it may get with the phone call, but later they ask for the hoarding. So later what they do ask for the hoarding. So when they ask for the hoarding and all that, what they do is, again you have to go and you have to make sure generally to give the video. So again, what they want in the video, you can see, so the location, so the equipment and proof of management, and video is only used for verification and won't be shown publicly and all that. So this is again where your business and all that will be like shown and all that. Then afterwards, if I want, I can go phone code, and again I will be getting a code on my mobile number and all that. But I don't want at the moment now because I already have done that. So again, what has happened? If you do with the same number again and again, it may blacklist you. So again, my advice will be, for one business, keep one number. Do not use the same number in multiple business and all. Now I will just go here, more option, verify later. So I'm just going with verify later. But if you want, you can verify now with your phone call. Now again, service, like what you provide. Like in advertising agency, what all things I provide. Now suppose I am not finding whatever is there. So suppose digital marketing service I provide. So I can go in custom services. If I don't find it here, click on show more, you will get much more. So if you find that, like suppose I find some of that, like suppose I find a social media marketing, search engine optimization, web design, I can find paid advertisement, I can find logo design, I can find link building, I can find, then again graphic design, I can find a digital marketing, I can find content management, again I can find branding, again I can find e-commerce, again I can find. So most of this I am finding. But what if I am not finding that? Suppose what am I do? Online reputation management. So I will just go here and I will say online reputation management. So whatever service that you provide and all, you should add that and all. And then if you want, you can add more custom service. So you can add as many as you want, like whatever you provide that you have to add. It's not like just I told you as many as, so you are adding anything. No, please don't do that. Please only add, please ask client clearly what are the list of services or what are the like category of product and all that client does and all. Then afterwards, I will go with the next option here. Now here business hour. So this is very important. If you have a offline business, if it is online, then you can keep whatever you want generally, but do keep the time where you are available to reply back. For example, if anyone asks questions regarding my business, so I should be available to give answers, guys. For example, Sunday, if I go ahead here, like on Sunday, suppose we are closed. On Monday, we open. So what time we open? We open at like suppose like let's go ahead with 10:30 a.m. and we closes at 7:30, suppose. So we will go and we will do this. Tuesday, again open at 10:30 a.m. and close at 7:30. So just like this, you can go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Suppose you worked half time. So again, you can go Saturday and you can say you open at like 10:30 a.m. and you close at 2:30 p.m. And then next. So again, if I go ahead here, so again, you can see the business description now. Now again, business description should have all the keywords, like whatever words you want people to search you. Now again, you can use AI also to generate that and all, or else you can go and you can create in 750 characters. So 750 characters is what that is needed and all that. So again, you can go and you can write here the description. Now, for example, like suppose XLR, let's create description for XLR, xlr.com. So again, I can go here, xlr.com, and then I can go to Perplexity AI. Same process, like I can ask for the USP of the brand and all, and I can say, by giving it directly also, I can say, give me Google My Business description for this URL, and let's see if it is able to give me. See here. Again, it is giving me. So again, some key courses offer that. XLR provided you this and all that. So again, EDL that you guys are doing and all that, everyday learning program and all that. So again, you can see here, here I can go and I can take it. So again, I can copy this. I can go to Gemini AI or ChatGPT and I can say, for example, Gemini AI, and I can take it here. And I can just skip the prompt. Let me go till on. And then citation I will delete and I will say concise it into under, I will say concise it under 750 characters for Google My Business. Google My Business and just enter. And now again, it will give you, see, character count, website link, and all that. And then again, you can see here, make sure you replace and all that. So again, you can see empowers future ready and all that, explore and demand course, get a free resources and expert guidance, excel your career. So again, if I want, I can copy this and I can go here and I use that, but I'm not doing for XLR. So just why I will just skip that, but you can just go like this. You can write if you want, you can write that in bullet points. You can include more characters and all, because up to 750 characters you can do. But please remember, whatever words that you want to come up for ranking, you have to make sure you do that. Then again, you go to the next option here. Once you go to the next option, then again photo of your business, like store photos, a physical where you are present and all that, you have to make sure you upload that. So all the photo you upload where you are generally like of your product or services or of your shop or of your office and all that. And then afterwards, you will go to next. I'm just skipping this. Now stand out of the competition, Google ad. No, we will not do Google ad now. We will be starting in the second half with the basic part, and then one more day we will understanding about the video campaigns and all. Now again, I will just go skip here because we never do Google ads here. Now again, I will skip it. Now again, custom domain, I don't want it. So what is custom domain name and all that? It's like Gmail suite. They are giving Microsoft suite and all that. So again, I don't want that. So I will skip that also. Now again, your edit will be visible once I am verified. So once I am verified, then people can find me on Google. And what are the ways to verify? Either with the phone code or call. Through call, they will be telling you code, or again through the business video. And once you are done, you will just click on continue and your profile is ready. And once your profile will be verified, you will be able to read the reviews, reply on the reviews, you will be able to see the performance, and also you will be able to advertise your Google My Business account also, and you will be able to add products. Suppose if it is a product business, then you can add the product. If it is a service business, you can add the services. If it is a booking business, you can again go and you can have a lot of bookings open and all that. Q&A, the people, whatever they ask question, you can give the reply to them. And also you can read the message, and here you can give that. And Q&A is also frequently asked Q&A. You can go and you can set that. So in some of the account, like Google always experiment that, it may give you that option. Then again, add update. So I can go and I can add update about my product, my services. I can add the offer. Any event is happening. Like for example, 15 August is coming, like after July. So suppose Independence Day sale or Independence Day event where everything is on 50% off. So we can go and we can go ahead with that. Now again, like this here, if I go, I will stop here, and now let me check some questions. Have stored to. Yeah, you can put that. I will not suggest business name should be as it is, Akhil. Like suppose my business name is Digital Marketing World. Whatever my shop name or office name is there, same name you have to create the offline business. So that, because again, if someone report, then it will be, suppose someone click the photo of your business and report it to Google. So again, your this account will be suspended then. So make sure you have the transparency, like keep the same name that what you want. You can put the logo for sure. If you want the edit which we enter, then yeah, you can edit that. I will just show you. It is free. It is free, Akhil. They does not charge you. Now again, once my profile is visible, I can go edit profile option. Just type that. How you edit that? See, just make sure you are logged in with that. And once you are logged in with your account, just go edit profile option, and you can edit that business name, category here. Again, if you want, you can add more category. If you remember, I told you 3 category you can add. So after publishing here, you can go and you can change the descriptions, like phone number, website, and all the address and all, whatever service area, hours, whatever information you want to change, you can do that. So directly when you search in the Google, now you will get, provided that you should log in with the account with which you have made the Google My Business. And after, it's like you can say your Google My Business is verified, then again you can, people can give you reviews. You can again reply to that reviews and all that, and you can also see the performance. So let me see if I have any dummy account. Just a second. Your business profile. No, again, I think if I go here, okay, I might get some. So again, this profile I was doing experiment. See, when you do experiments, it was hack based, but I wanted to change that to quarterly Roshan. I was just showing clients one, like when I was giving consulting, I was just showing what happens when you change that. Google blocks you. So you can see again, it is blocked. It is like you can say the red mark is there. So it is blocked. Now again, people cannot go and review on this particularly business. But if I show you the performance, it will like again see, it will be showing get verified and all that. Now let me check if I have any other. Just wait. Let me check here. GMB. Sign in. Now this again, both have verification required. Wait, both are just basic one. So again, let me go here to this GMB. Now again, if I go ahead here, if I just go to the business profile and I show you, this also was the profile. Now, what happened to this? It's like again, it got controversial. Why? Because again, this one consultant means they reach out to me for the consultant. So what happened? They had actually two owners. So one has made like business on their mobile, and the other then wanted, no, I have buy it from him, now I want it to come on my name and all that. So again, you can see the business is showing on the Google and all that. But what is happening exactly is it's like particularly when we go and when we see in the business profile, generally, let it load. So here, if you go, now, again, what is happening? See, this message is coming. So that's why it is never ever advised to have like whatever number that you use to lost it, and keep that number. If you lost it, also go to your service provider and take the number, so that when you, if you have number, you can still request access. Otherwise, it is gone. People just can give the reviews and all that, but still you can't go and add any detail, you can't add any pictures, you can't reply to those reviews and all. So again, that will be again a problem for people in case if you do that. So again, let me check one more time if I have any other business profile. No, I think just a second, let me check if I have Google GMB. Okay, no, I think everything is blocked. If I go linked account, no. Businesses, let me just take last time. If I have, I will show you. Otherwise, you guys have got the idea like how it looks like. So this again is a controversial account where the problem is the owner has lost his number, and that number is with somebody else, his earlier partner, and he's not giving anything, whatever is going to his number and all that. Now, again, if I go ahead, just a second, GMB. No, I don't have access. I think I had previous week till I was doing the as a consultant, I was doing for some client. But again, since the consultant work is gone, so they have removed that. So it's very easy. I hope you got an idea how to make it and how to edit it, guys. Give me yes if you how Google charges. No, Google does not charges. It's free, Harsh. It is free. No, if it is online, then again, you don't need to do with the video. You need to do with your either email or OTP and all that. And it's completely free and all that. Now let's understand the conceptual view. It's very easy. I showed you all the step and all that. And also now let's see the conceptual view here. So if I go here, generally I have given the notes in the LMS also. So you guys can find that. So again, like local SEO, just what I was saying you, it is majorly used for offline businesses, guys. It is used for offline businesses to give the reviews, manage the business, and come in the map listing and all that. But for online businesses, it can be place where you can connect reviews, people can find that, and it can be helpful for you and people to find you. And again, it is very easy because most of the people, when they want to buy any product and all, they go and they search in Google and all. And here I have given the step, like you can say you can go directly here and you can do that. And for category, I have given one website where you can find the category, though I showed you live also how you can go ahead and how you can do that. But now let's understand what is the difference between a local traditional SEO and local SEO. Why I have given you this? generally, because it's important to understand what is the difference when particularly when we can go with local SEO and what benefits it come with. So again, traditional SEO means we need a website. Without website, it is not possible at all. But when we talked about local SEO, again, local SEO do not need website. Website is optional, so I do not need website. Without a website also, I can go and I can do that. And how much time traditional SEO needs? At least 3 months. But what about local SEO? It can be done ASAP also, like as soon as possible. Means if I just give my number, the code will come and it will be verified. But Google will take 24 to 48 hours to verify all your informations and all, and then it will be able to go and it will be able to give that. And then maximum it takes is 12 days. So 12 days when it takes, sometime now, just to check if you are present on that location, what you are saying, they will go and they will check by sending you the letter. What is that letter and all that? Generally, it's like it contains the code that you need to give to the Google so that it re-verify that you are present on that location and all that. Generally, ASAP is as soon as possible. Take that. Now again, what we need to do as a marketer if we are managing anyone's like you can say local SEO, what we need to do, we regularly need to update the content. When I say regularly, what I mean by that means on a regular interval. And what we can update, any idea guys, like what we will update in a Google My Business, what all things we can update here. Generally in traditional SEO, though, we need regular update. Means like I need to update the all the blog and all that generally. But what about this local SEO? Though I will advise you to update, I have written also. But generally in traditional SEO, what we update? Like if I talked about website SEO, so if I have to update anything, what I will do that? Because Google always appreciate the update and all. If your website keep adding the new content, so what we can add in our website for the local SEO part that we did, sorry, for the SEO part, traditional SEO, don't get confused. One is traditional SEO that we did earlier. Today we are talking about local SEO. So new feature, page, ad and blog content. Okay, excellent, Akhil and Ekta. Yes, we can do that. And for this local SEO, yes, if you are asking for local SEO, then again, OnePlus review and rating, yes, we can add that. Apart from that, now product pictures, any offers that we have, very short blogs, very short informations and all that we can go and we can add that. Now again, if I go ahead here, now again, if you see, these all are the, like you can say, like comparatively difference between local SEO and traditional SEO. Now again, you need to create the backlink. But for local SEO, do we require? No, absolutely not. If I want to rank for local SEO, I don't need the backlink. I need to regular update my content. Means I need to give offers. I have to be very active, uploading the pictures and all that. Then again, this again comes with domain and hosting. Means on yearly basis, we have to give money for like updating our domain and the hosting part and all. But local SEO, again, we do not need to pay any single quality and all that. Then again, if I go ahead, what is the more advantage of local SEO? People can directly call you, they can message you, and people can reach out to your office and all that. But in like you can say website, people cannot call you unless and until you have that added feature with the help of if you remember plugin that we talked about in WordPress, like for any every extra features we can have that. But again, generally with Google My Business, without having the cost of website, people can go and they can call me and all that. So for example, here I can go and I can call this like Zim owner and all that. I can go and I can call them. I can go and I can call them. I can see the directions and all that. So that is again the main difference that we have. Then after that, if I go ahead here and like generally direction very easily, you can share the address in one click, so people can, again I can share the address also. So I can click on share and see I can directly go and WhatsApp to suppose my brother is asking or my friend is asking, he's saying, bro, can you suggest me some of the gym? So I can just share that on WhatsApp. It is very, very easy to do at all. Then afterwards, if I talked about, it is again perfect place to manage reviews or reputation. So reviews and reputation is similar thing. Like suppose as long as more positive reviews we have for our business, then that is good. If we have a negative review, like suppose negative feedback, so as a marketer, what you will do? Like suppose you are working for any like you can say any company. For example, let's take example of XLR. Suppose you are a digital marketer in XLR and all that, and you find out like one negative review has come. So what will be your take then after that? What you will do as a marketer? Positive review, though, you can give reply like thank you so much for trusting us. Thank you. You can have lot of template. So first you will talk with management. See, step by step things we do. Akhil, like first though, I will check with management if any uh, guy or girl name by that or that, whoever has given review, does exist in our database or not. If yes, so what was the issue that they have written? Does they have attended class? For example, suppose anyone written like about anything, like suppose like any problem, like the class is not happening and all, and then I will go and I will check like with my management, like okay, if that person exists in our database or not. If yes, if they exist that in our database, so again I will go and I will like check what was the issue. Have the person coming regularly in the classes and all that? I will make sure to mark the attendance of that, so that we know like okay, the person was coming. If regularly coming, there was a problem, communication gap was there, he or she was unable to understand, and then I will call the management people to call and have a word, and again offer them whatever things they can in their capacity. Like suppose anyone is not happy with the class, so what we can do, for example, suppose if you are at the XLR and all, what advice you can give to management? Any advice? Like suppose you got a bad review from student, then what you will do as a marketer? What advice you guys will give? Any idea, guys? Improve. Okay. How about provide him new classes? Like you can say to management talk, say, please provide some of new classes to this guys. Please change the trainer. He might not be able to understand that particular trainer language and all. He do need that. So yes, we will try to rectify that. There is no improvement in that. Either you make that person happy, then he will change the 1 star to 5 star. Otherwise, there is no improvement in that. There is only one thing you can do. You can reach out to that by your database, by the phone number, Gmail, and then you can go and you can do that. Yes, generally that will be done by management. We will not do that. As a marketer, we will give just suggestion, guys. We are not the business owner. They have the under their capacity, management people will take the decision by talking to the higher authorities. But we as a marketer will tell, please talk to this person, call him or her, and please get it sorted out. And like after sorting it out, please tell her to increase the rating. Like suppose if they have given 2 star, so again we will call him or her and understand what the problem. And when I say we will not call as a marketer. Our management team will call and will make sure. Then after that, again it is top place to manage. What are the top place where you can manage your Google business profile? So first is the title. Like a title means some of you were saying like, okay, at the starting, can we add the keyword? But again, my answer will be, please go with your brand name. Then in bracket, if you want, you can go ahead. But again, if your board also has that, that will help you. Now, for example, I want to have the business name like Digital Marketing World by Kautilya Roshan. So what I can do here is I can have a board also, Digital Marketing World by Kautilya Roshan. So that if anyone click the pictures and if by any chances anyone goes that and they mark me as a spam, I can send the picture, I can send the video to Google to see like, see, this is the name of my shop, this is the name of my office, the same name I have used in my like business profile. So there is no like cheating, or there is no like I am telling you something else and for people there is something else and all that. So again, we have to be very transparent in that. And the description, as I said, first line of the description, add the word that you want to rank for. Again, it could be best digital marketing course, best digital marketing online course, or best course in Bangalore, anything like that. Then again, category. So what is category? Again, you can select up to 3. I showed you where you can do that. And after making the account, you can go and you can add more category where like by just going to edit profile option. Then post, what you can do, new offers, information, wishing post, a new blog post. But when you write the blog post, now it should be short. It should not be like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. It should be just related to product, like how your product is improving people's life, how your product is the best in the market, what are the benefits of your product and all. Very, very short blog. Like not like our website where we have to write at least 1,000 to 1,200 words or 1,500 words. Here again, we can publish the short blog as well, but just by clicking on add post. And then photos and videos. So photos and videos, again, whenever you add now, please make sure to add real photos and like own videos. Do not add AI generated videos. If Google find out you are uploading AI generated video, you are manipulating with the pictures and the video, because now a lot of AI tools has come and all that. So people does go and they do that. So again, that will can be a problem generally. So please make sure you add the correct pictures, the correct videos and all. Then coming to the service and product. So when I say service and the product option, so what is service and the product? So again, you can add all the list of the services or the product that you do and all that. And do give all the description. Like if I show you now, like suppose if I go, just a second, if I go to digital marketing. So just let me type GMB. GMB. So again, if I go ahead and I just click on manage now, and just I go, suppose if I just go here, just this we were doing. If I just go here, now again, if I will add the service, like suppose if I go edit service. Now again, when you go and you add that, see add prices, a service price, whatever it is, description, if it is a price range. So again, from you can write from what price you are offering. Suppose I am offering from 5,000 rupees. So again, it is a starting price. It will uh, like you can say it will go and it will do that generally, and the description and all. Then afterwards, if you are not providing that services, just delete that services. You don't need to keep that services anymore. Then afterwards, same goes with the product. If it is a product, just go get started, add the product name, add the picture, and in if possible, add multiple pictures like front picture, back picture, like any other like side shot pictures of the photo and all that. And whenever you upload the photo, if you observe, like if I go to Amazon and I'm just showing how fastly like you can say e-commerce industry changing. Now if you go with any product, like let me go with, especially let me go with this, like face wash, like for example. So if I just go here to this face wash, now again see there is a video. No, this is not right. Let me try with Mama. Why Mama Earth and all is selling more than these all people? Let me give you the idea. Now, when you go to their picture, now see what they are doing. They are giving the picture of the product also. But along with that, see, they are giving the benefit also. So again, if you see, you can see the benefit, like what benefit it has, the product and all. So they are very smart like this. So if you have the e-commerce business, please make sure to do that. Please make sure to add all this in when you are doing for local business also. You can add also all these pictures. So when people see that and when Google sees that, Google understand, okay, this is all that and all, generally and all. And also for your, like you can say, audience and all, it will be great and all that generally. Now, if I go back here, and if we talked about other reviews, again, negative reviews, I can say, again, you can delete, but you can't delete directly. You have to talk with the respective customer, resolve the query, and ask them to edit the review. So it's all about making them comfortable, solving whatever problems they have and all that, and then you solve that and all that. And also, positive review, ask the customer to add your business name and all that, like business inside the review, and also give some bonus benefit to your customer. For example, now what I am saying here, please understand here, don't get confused. When you ask for customer review, na, and if they give to you, please give them some bonus. Like suppose anyone give reviews to your business, please give them 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 10% off on any new purchase, 5% off for any new purchase, or on the current purchase. Like I found very one interesting restaurant, I still remember, in Bangalore. I will say it was a restaurant, but it was not that big restaurant. What they were doing now, if like they will, whenever they will see any customer na, like group of customer, they will say, if more than 2 reviews, if you do na, more than, sir, if you will give 5-star rating more than 2, then again we will provide you, after asking experience. They were that clever, they will never ask directly to give. Once they ask like, sir, how was the food and all that. So one time I got go with all my friends and all that of Bangalore. So again, I find that very amusing. Why? Because the guy asked after we ate all the food, and then he comes and say, sir, if you will give 2 reviews, more than 2 reviews of 5-star, we will provide you 10% discount uh, to the whole order. Now again, tell me, anyone will refuse this? Who will not want 10% discount? Will be able to refuse that? I don't think so. I will never refuse. I have 10%. Suppose if it is a 3,000, well, at least I am saving some. I can have a cold drink, or I can have anything else and all that. So again, they were very smart. So when you open the business, you have to come with this. I'm saying you personal experience. This is not like something I have made of, and this is definitely not my idea. I was just surprised. And then I open his review. I see everyone has given him a very good reviews, and that is how he was increasing his business, and he was multiplying that. I was very happy to see, and I that day I got to know, like, okay, this is again a great way of asking people review, because see, for free nobody wants to do anything, but when you give them na, like direct benefit, see, coupons also work. Some of you will saying coupons, but again, generally what happens, na, people think, yaar, are yaar, it will, I have to buy again, I have to come again, then it will work. But instantly, if I give them, na, so they will be like, okay, that is fantastic, generally. So that is where, again, people will go and they will do that. 1 star in man. Yeah, see, in Bangalore, lot of things are there. I will not go to there. We will talk some other day, but I hope you guys got that, how you can ask the reviews, what you can tell to your customers. Like suppose I have a laundry shop, for example. I'm giving you example. Like suppose if my client, suppose if I'm handling any laundry shop, Google My Business, and my laundry shop owner is asking, Kautilya, can you tell me, generally how I will grow my business? I am not getting idea. Nobody is giving review. So again, say that, if any customer comes twice, I will say make the list, and if any customer comes twice, ask them, if you sir will give reviews, we will give you 5% off directly on all that. Then he also like suppose if he will apply that, does he will get review? Yes, I agree, not all will give, but does like the number will increase from 0% to some percent at least generally, like if they apply that. No, it is not fake review, no. You are first asking people about the your product experience. If they have the like you can say happy experience, then obviously I will ask. They are the customer. They are not. I'm not saying go to your friend and say, bro, I have opened that business. Can you give the reviews and tell to your relative? No, I'm telling your customer how to increase the rate. Like all the happy customer, how you should encourage them to give the review. So after you sell the product and all that, then just ask for the feedback, provide some valuable informations and all that, and then again ask review. They will again give that. Or if it is a repeated business, then again your chances are more. You can go and you can tell to people to give reviews and you can give some offers. Yes, it will increase definitely. Yes, it will rank. See, that's how us like I will say psychologically we all the human being love like more reviews simply I can say you 10 out of 8 times we just go by seeing review and we say yaar chalo yaar this is a very good review rated restaurant, we go that. Yes, you may get scammed in that also, but again it happens I think at least multiple times with every day. Give me honest like answer in the chat box. How many times it has happened with you? If it is a gifting, so again you can say particularly what you can do with the gift itself and all that. You can send a card. You can send a card on the next order. You will get if you give the review, you will get the like you can say 5% off and all that. Or suppose for the first time you anyone has buy, so just give them 5% off personal card inside your that packet whatever you have packed and all that. If it is a gift wrap, then don't do that. If it is a personal, if they have ordered to see that, then you can do that. And then again you can have the email, have the WhatsApp and all that, and then you can ask them to give the reviews how you felt about it and all that. 3 times, okay. I have also done that. Means my friend always come. They are not digital marketers, they are web developer. Somebody is doing other businesses and all. They always fight with me, bro. It's shown by Google, so it will be 100% correct. I don't fight with them. I just laugh and I just see that. So again, it has happened with everybody, though you may not agree, but I can assure you more than 1 times, 2 times it has happened. So that is why if you have the reviews, it again automatically it increases the chances of people coming and trying your business generally. And if your service is good, then again that's how you grow particularly. Now again, if I go ahead here, now again, key point. So these are very basic key point. Here I have mentioned the size of the pictures that you guys can do 720 by 720. So if you do it that size, that is best size for Google My Business, guys. And also weekly try to have at least one review. If you are doing any business or your client work you are handling, so at least say weekly try at least one reviews to be uploaded or to be updated and all that. Then again, like small blog post and all twice a week you can post anything benefit of your product, about your product, new launches that you are coming, new offers for this week, Monday offer, Tuesday offer, Wednesday offer, end of reason offer, end of season offer, new summer offer, a monsoon offer, whatever offer you want. You can have that and all, and then again give reply to every questions. That is very important. That's where Google think like, okay, you are solving every query that people is asking you in the Google and all that. And also give reply to all the reviews, whether they are good reviews, they are bad reviews. Please make sure to do that generally, because if you don't manage the review now, again your brand will close. The best example is I can give you is there was one Unacademy brand, you know, guys, Unacademy. Yeah. So there was one, they brought that was reliable by Unacademy. Reliable by Unacademy. So what they did wrong, why their business went, see this, 2.1 star. So if your business is having that bad, na, nobody was there to call, ask what is there. They're just spending on ads. They're thinking, no, no, we have hired, we have given money. Now we will go and we will do that. So again, this is why they are on the verge of closing. They have not closed yet, but they are on the verge of closing it and all. See how in if you see that, will you ever go and try even this product? Like, for matter of fact, anything if it is ours. I don't think so. I don't think. Like, I will agitate 10 times at least. If I wanted to, also, it will stop me and all that. So, this is again very important part. Lot of people ignore that. What they think, are yaar, chodo, like, let it be. Generally, we will see we are very big brand. So, it's again was acquired by Unacademy. It was first operating solely, then it acquired by Unacademy. They invested are very largely, they hired almost every influencer at one time and all that. Why I know? Because I was closely working with them as well. So again, then I see that, and then you can see here the reviews. Then again, it will not help at all generally. So these are very basic thing, but very important thing and all that, that you as a marketer should know, because tomorrow if you start your own business, or like a day after, when you go and when you will be doing some other businesses, or managing any other businesses, or managing marketing of that. So again, it is very, very important. So I hope we are clear on this now. Local SEO guys, any question, please ask. I'm here to give your answer. Then we will see basics, and then next we will see particularly we will talk about the basic differences and all that. And then after that, we will go tomorrow also. We will continue Google Ads topic. What about other people? I hope we got clear here on local business. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for typing, guys. Okay, perfect. Perfect, guys. Now again, let's come to uh, advertisements and all that. Let's today talks about the basic, and tomorrow, though I have given already to you can say XLR team to upload, so you will find that. So, but before that, I want to I want to make you understand the basic, because we are on time about our you can say delivery of topics on all that. Even we are before generally, because the Google Ads are needed we are on time, and we are covering at a good pace, so there is no need to hurry and just complete things at risk, means I will say at pace rather than risk. So again, let's understand about advertisement first. What is advertisement, guys? What is advertisement? Let's clear your basic thought about advertisement today. What is advertisement? What we understand with the word promoting, creating awareness, okay? And what about other people? Come on, guys, type. Display brand to users, okay? If we want to express our thought, to promote our product, screening the product, to grab people attention, promoting anything through pictures and video, okay? Creation of making ad, showcasing product, okay? Fantastic. Increase customer needs, so important of product, promote product to gain interest of people, okay? Excellent. Okay, excellent. Now again, few question I will ask you, then I will tell you all the concept. I will clear it out. Loyalty comes very afterwards. I will say it comes at the last, after people buy that. So loyalty is not even part of advertisement. It can be part of your digital marketing, but certainly it is not a part of advertisement, guys. Loyalty. Ads are basically for reaching more audience. Okay. Now again, let me show you some of the samples. Wait. Geo ads on shop. Yeah. Now again, if I go ahead, now what is this ad call where you can see Shahrukh Khan is there? I hope it might be visible to you. It is little bit blur, but I hope you guys can see Shahrukh Khan in it and the Geo is written. So what this ad is called? What is the purpose of this ad? Generally, what is the purpose of this ad? Advertisement, banner. So why they are doing that? Like why they are doing this ad? So what is the main purpose? Like what they want? They want awareness. They want sales, promotion. What they want? To showcase, grab attention, promote to attract trust. Sales really think like anyone will see banner and they go and they buy that? How many banner you remember? Tell me honestly. How many banner you remember? Generally. Have you buyed anyone has buy by seeing the banner? Be honest, guys. But why they are investing then? Are they fools? They don't know marketing? Why? Why they are doing that? So many times, okay, some people have buy that. Okay, that's great. More knowledge about the scheme. Okay. Now let's go one step further. One step further. Now, cricket. I think you most guys know about cricket, Indian team and all that. Who is sponsoring Indian team? Who is sponsoring Indian team? जो दिखता है वो बिकता. I will come to that, Tiwari. Don't worry about that. I will come to that. But let's see the Indian jersey. Team India jersey. Now again, see here, like again, if you go to official and all that, it's Dream 11. So if I just go here, now again, any idea how much Dream 11 is giving to just be on this jersey? Any idea? Like what amount they are giving for being on the jersey? In crores, in lakhs? Okay, it is certainly not in lakhs. Let me show you the data. Dream 11 BCCI deal. So just see here how much it is. 358 crore like for 3 years. So is it worth it? 358 crores. Why they are spending? 358 crore. They might have done Facebook ad. They might have done Google ad. Why they are doing this? What will happen here? Like if they people see that, and what is the purpose? Like generally, we have to understand more about the purpose. Brand identification, influence user, core people see that, larger audience. Okay. Every time see in the match. Okay. You are very close. Kapar, Ushana. Because their fan following, curiosity for trust, confidence for use, celebrity, trust building. Okay, in marketing we call that na. It's like generally like what happens if you remember my first class. If you know about the product, then only you think of trying it and all. So what they are doing at the large scale, they want people to know there is a company called Dream 11. So that people go and they search in Google what is Dream 11, what they do and all that. And since it is coming on a very reputed, like you can say generally players and Team India and all that, many crores of people is saying. So next that when they will make na Dream 11 pe aao and Karorpati ban jao, then again people will know at least what is Dream 11. Otherwise you will to just scroll it, you will say yaar kuch bhi bol raha hai. They are saying anything generally and all that. So again, this is the reason why they are doing. Why? because they want to be in your mind. Like there is a company Dream 11, just like that here, no? Also like a Geo that I talked about here. If I go, this is also done to be in your mind. Like Geo is a company. They don't want you to tell, like if they are giving you free SIM or whatever. They just want you to be in the mind, like Geo is a company and all that. So I hope we are clear on this. Why they are spending so much and all that. And that is why Pati Manao and Karorpati Banao. Consistency, yes. Okay, fantastic. So this is where we are creating our brand to be remembered by people. So again, it's always help brand to get the maximum share. Why? Because Amazon, even if you will see, like, let me show you Amazon full page advertisement on news. Again, we talked about a lot about digital marketing, digital media, and all that. See, again, if you see now, what do you think? Does Amazon does not know people are now digital? Why Amazon is giving advertisement on this? And obviously, they are spending lakhs of rupees. So, in that, if they do digital, they can go and they can reach out to more people. But why Amazon is doing? For buying a new thing to get into the people minds and all. Now, again, tell me to stay relevant. Yes, I agree. The Times of India. So, if your advertisement published on Times of India, will people take you seriously with the means of psychology? More reliable? Yes, exactly, more reliable. Who have written more reliable? Excellent. Anshul, excellent. So again, it is more reliable and all that. So that is why, yes, it is. Psychologically, it is. We are the people, we are the people. We always believe if we get from a reliable source, like again, Times of India or the Hindu, the newspaper, and all, if they publish that, that is where the brand like always spend heavily on like you can say the brand awareness and all. So first thing is to clear, like first thing of my advertisement motive can be of brand awareness and all that. No, it does not depend elder people. You don't understand here why they are doing. Does everyone watches cricket? Who plays you can say yes, Dream 11 and cricket are relatable, but again, does everyone read the billboard and all that? No. It's about, see, when you will go now, when you will suppose need to buy, suppose you have no idea, you are thinking, you are asking me, sir, I need to buy laptop, can you recommend? So again, since I'm seeing lot of Amazon ads everywhere, I'm seeing that on multiple, I will say go in Amazon, check, you can easily buy that and all. So that is where again brand recall value is more. So absolutely it helps. It helps in the longer term. You might be thinking today like why I will spend 20 lakh on a Times of India newspaper, but Amazon is thinking up to next 5 year how they will be in the mind of the consumer. Because if they will not do, now Flipkart will do, and Flipkart will take away their customer. It is as simple as that. If we see them somewhere, we will be able to. Yes, see, you will be able to recognize it and all that. Now, what is apart from awareness? Now, I hope you got the idea. Awareness. Why in awareness, many companies they spend billions of rupees. Forget about thousand. I have seen company they spend billions of rupees just to be in the top choice and top of the mind and all that. Still, people know that, still see they are doing that. Still, Cadbury, I think every person who loves chocolate, they know Cadbury brand. But have you seen how many times you have seen Cadbury ads? We still see that. How many of you have seen that? I see that regularly. I see that. Why they do that? Because they know if they will not do, their competitor will, and they will eat their share out and all that. That's why they make sure they do that. Nestle will do, then Nestle will take away their share and all that. So that's where consistency is must. It's not like in 1 month of a year I will do and then I will go. No, because they are like share. It's all about the share generally, like how much marketing share they have, how much share of people eating chocolate, how many people eat Cadbury, and then how many eat Nestle and all that generally. No, see, it's not about beautiful. It's about selling. Whatever ads that sell at the end, na, it is good as a marketer. So again, if you ask as a people, if you say, na, I love this ad is very beautiful and all, again, I will give you full points. But as a marketer, don't even say that. Just say whatever ad works. If any ad works, that is best ad for us, guys. It is as simple as that. It may be just written on the text, it may be video, it may be I have hired a video like designer and he has designed for me, or video editor he has edited for me, but it has to be there and all. Now again, if next thing is like, suppose if I go ahead and next thing is seeing that, watching the competitor, understanding like what kind of ad, like suppose if you get hired and you have no idea like, okay, what ad I will make, what ad I will make, what headline I will make, what pictures I will make and all that. Generally, I have no idea. So for that, what you can do, please see that, and everyone will be able to do it. Everyone will be able to see the ad of any company, how many ads they are running. So for example, like suppose I want to know Mintra. Let's take a very nominal case so that everyone can understand. Suppose I got a client that is like sells the clothing, for example, and I'm not getting idea like, okay, what kind of ad copy I can make, what ad creative I can make, what I can write and all that. So what I can do in that generally, I can go and I can click on this Myntra.com. Just go to the next tab and you have to type, again, see that very carefully, Google ad transparency center. What you will type, guys? Google ad transparency center. Even with the mobile, you can type that. So again, when you type that Google ad transparency center, please make sure you get this results and the organic results. You click on that. Once you click on that, mostly, then afterwards, you will find it here. Now, again, what you will do, just copy the URL of the website that you want to check. So suppose I want to check what ad Myntra is running. I will copy it. I will go here. I will paste it and then see again here Myntra, not Fab Myntra, Myntra.com. So again, I will select and then just go ahead and click on all platform. And then once you go ahead now, all topics and all you can select. Now again, just see here. Now again, if you go ahead and all, you can see what ads they are running. See. Online at best price and all that, by my journey Rajasthan, perfume 100 ml and all that. See here again, all formats, see here. Now again, suppose you want to see only image or text or video, whatever you want, you can go and you can do that. See image. Now again, you can see here what image ad they are running, what kind of ad they are running. See, we can go and we can see that. And then again, I can go and I can see all ads. Now I can see all the ads that they are running generally. See, so I can go and I can see all the ads kind of stuff that they are running. See, so it will give you very, very good idea. I want you to check quickly and see here. Here you can go and you can change the like type, whatever type you want. Like suppose you want the video ad, click on the video in the format. Now you are getting all the video ad that Myntra is running and all that. I want you to quickly check and tell me if you are able to do. That's the way you can check off any website that exists. If they are running ad, you will be able to know, and you know like what to create, what kind of ad also I can do for my client or my company and all that. Quickly do that, everyone, guys. You have to type Google Ad Transparency Center. I'm giving you the link. Please don't type, and you have the attendance link. Make sure you guys are filling that. I will be here 10-15 minutes more I will take. So please check and let me know in the comment section, guys. Everyone, please check. I've just stopped the screen sharing. Please check. It's working. Okay, what about other people? Please check. This is a gold mine for you as a beginner to understand, to see the bigger brand and to understand, guys, what they are running and all that. Please check, everyone. Please check. Okay, fantastic to see many people have started. If you haven't started, please go and check. This is a gold mine for you to understand, like, okay, how to create the ads, what kind of creative it should be, and all that. So this is the best. This is how I see the idea. Like, suppose if I have to give a consultation to any company, whether it's big, small, or medium enterprises. So I first go and check their competitor, what they are doing, what all ads they are running, images, and all that. It does always help me, and it will help you also. Always, any day of the week, and all that, it can help you. Anyone, like suppose I want to check XLR now, suppose what ads they are running. I can go here, and once I go ahead here, I will be able to know, and then I will go to what I have to type, Google Ad Transparency Center. So just when you type that, and best part is it's free. You don't have to pay. You don't have to buy the expensive tool to see like what ads is there and all that. Then again, if I go ahead, then afterwards, if you go, you just search here, like just give the website, sorry, just give the website URL, guys, and just let's see how many ad XLR is running. So we can go and we can paste it here, and again I can go and I can see. Now all formats, see, I can be able to know. So again they are running. If I go to see all ads, see, I will be able to know what all ads they are running, see. So mostly they are running the text plus image ad and all that. So I can go and I can see. So they are focusing data science, data science, data science. So if I am doing analysis of XLR, so I can know they are focusing much more on data science at this time and all that. Similarly, any other competitor, like suppose I got a project from any ad tech platform that sells digital marketing, and I have no idea, like, okay, what kind of ad I should create, I should give to them and all that. Very simple. Just go to their competitor. Like suppose there is a platform called IID. For example, I will go and I will just take it. And now I will go to Google Ad Transparency Center, and I will just go here and I will paste. So suppose I also want to have my own ads and all that. So I can go here and I can just search here, and suppose I can see all format. Now, if I want to see image ad, I can check that text ad, video ad, and everything. I will be able to go and I will be able to see it. So this will give me a very fantastic idea how I should go about my ad and all that. So in this, you won't be just testing. Yes, you will test. There is a lot to test in the advertisement sector. But again, to start with, if they are running ads now, again, it will give you a very good idea. For example, if I go ahead, if I click on this, now again, you will see last shown. So again, you can see if it is running or not. Suppose it last shown is 3 months ago, 4 months ago. So I know this ad is not working for them. So again, I will not try that kind of ad. I will be very smart marketer. What I will do, I will go here and I will check. And once I will check now, like suppose this one, for example, or suppose this one, if I go. So again, I can see when it was last shown, 26. So again, it has 5 variation that they are using. See, so again, I can also go and I can also do that. So again, this is one trick. One more trick is there. Suppose I want to advertise, for example, I want to advertise for what I will say. Suppose let's take digital marketing service. Digital marketing service. And let's enter. Now again, if you go here, now see this. Again, I don't know how Amazon.com, advertising.amazon. Okay, digital advertising solution Amazon is providing. That's why they are giving. So again, if I want to go now, like if I go with services in Bangalore and I enter and see, suppose this, if I go now, like suppose I want to know more what all ads they are running, I will just see that here, guys. See that for 2 minutes. You will find here digital marketing service in Bangalore. Then you will find it here. What you have to do, you have to click on this three dots. Once you click on three dots, again you will find here, scroll down, and you can see more ads option. Again, I am repeating for you guys. What you have to do, you have to type whatever services ad that you want to see and all that. Then again, you will get one sponsored, that is a paid ad. You will click on this three dots and then you will go just scroll down and find this option, see more ads, and click on that. Now again, you will be able to see all the ads that this particular company is running. So they are only running one more ad. One ad they are running is this, and only one ad they are running. 100% result, best digital marketing agency, and all paid marketing and all that. So this is how we can go and we can do. For example, like suppose I want to run an ad for social media marketing service. Social media marketing services in Bangalore. So if I just search here, now again, okay, this time ad is not coming. Wait. Okay, or I go here with, suppose, data science course in Bangalore, suppose. If I go, okay. So since I keep writing that, that's why I think I am not getting that. Wait, let me go to the incognito mode. Social media services in Bangalore and just enter. Now again, sponsored here. Again, this digital ICE 360 is coming. So suppose SEO services. If I go and if I need to find that and I enter here, now again, see, I can go and I can found. So just what you have to do, click on this three dots, scroll down and see here, see more ads. And then you will be able to find all the ads related to that. So please check that, guys. Are you able to find that? This is two of my favorite tricks that I used to do the competitor analysis or to find what all things any company is doing, what all ads they are doing, what all they are writing and all that. So that again gives me very good idea about like what all like I can also do and all that, and how I can also change that and all. So please check this and let me know if you are able to do it, guys. Okay, I'm showing you what I did. Like suppose I have to create ads now for like you can say generally suppose for like course. For example, suppose pre-digital marketing course, I have to attract the lead and all that, because a lot of people type that free digital marketing course. So suppose if I go here and I type here, suppose free digital marketing course and just enter. And now, okay, I'm not getting that. Let's go with digital marketing because people are not advertising on free. Okay, here also I'm not advert in Bangalore. Okay, and let's, I have to type any different things because I keep searching these all things. So Google also knows like I will not click on that. I am not their customer. So AI course in Bangalore. So suppose I got a client that sells AI courses in Bangalore. And when I go, no, again here, or Chat GPT courses. Or suppose, like, for example, let's take black suits. Black suit for women. Or black suits, like just go black suits for women. Here, if I go now, directly go to shopping option. If you are searching for e-commerce, you will go to the shopping option. And once you go to the shopping option, if you are finding here now advertise, here you can say these all are organic. So again, at the current moment, I am not getting advertisement. Let me try here. Why I am not getting? There is a like problem. Why I am not getting it? Because I do search these all terms very frequent. So Google also know this guy just do it for fun. He will not be clicking on anything. So if I just type here black shoot for men or suppose woman. So see here. Now again, if I go ahead and if I just go here and I type, so again I can go and I can see here more about advertiser. Now again I am showing what I type here, black shoot for women, and just you have to click on this three dots and just go and click on see more ads. When you click on see more ads, you will be able to see all the ads that this Groupon media is running. So you can see what all ads they are running, and also this is a business account that they are using. So you can see jewelry, Nexa ad, and all that. So they have a couple of clients, see that they are running and all that. So again, you can go and you can see here tons of ad that they are running. So please try this. I hope you got it this time. It's very easy. Just type the word and see if it's a sponsored is coming. Click on this three links, scroll down, see more ads. I hope now you are getting it, guys. Okay, fantastic, Divya. What about other people? I hope you guys are getting it. These are two more of my favorite tricks that I have told you. Whenever I go and I do that, any client meeting or any consultations and all, generally I go ahead and do that. Fantastic. So please make sure you guys fill out the attendance sheet and all that. Now I will just take your 5 minutes more time. So please have here, because one concept I want to clear before I go. So now, what is difference between organic and advertisement? Can anyone tell me? And do make sure you guys are filling the form at the same time. Generally, you are getting the form fill up like link. So please make sure you do that. But what is difference between organic and advertisement? Can anyone tell me? Organic is free, ad is paid. Okay, yes, 100% correct, Aswarya. By SEO, yes, Akhil, you are also correct. But again, organic is in social media also. So only SEO is not that. Organic is original SEO, nothing but certified. No, it has nothing to do with certified, Amruta. It's like it certified means if I have any certifications by any third party and all. Like for example, for opening any food chain, I need a FSC license and all. No, it's not like genuine, guys. See, wait. Now stop typing. Stop typing. Please stop typing and make sure you guys filling up the attendance sheet. Now, organic, I'm telling you few things you have to understand. First of all, you have to understand when and what you have to do. Whenever you do digital marketing for your own company or for any other company or for any client, please remember two things. Now, and please stop typing, guys. Let me type. Please stop typing now. So one thing that you have to do is short term goal. And the second thing that you will do is long term goal. Now, again here, when I say short term goal, understand with the example before typing it anything. Like suppose tomorrow I plan, like suppose suddenly in the night I came out with the plan, I will go and I will launch my agency from tomorrow morning. So if I will go and I will launch my agency in tomorrow morning, And if I will rely on organic marketing, so do you think I will be able to survive in the market? Yes, no. No, absolutely not. Yeah. Now please stop typing. I got your idea. So what I need in that time, I need advertisement, because to reach out to maximum people and to generate the instant result. But that means like I have to stop organic. No, my long-term goals still have to work on creating quality content, ranking them, creating reels for social media, Instagram, LinkedIn post, wherever it is possible. So whenever you are asked such question, please handle them with care and give the best possible answer. Like both are needed. We can't say like ads give does not give me genuine results, or like you can say only organic will be working. No, we need both to survive. Because again, if you when you start a business, it may take up to 6 months to 1 year to let people start noticing you, and they will be saying, okay, no, this is the very old brand, this is and all that. So always remember, whenever you are doing and all, and always you have to make sure of doing that. Now again, in Google we will be talking about YouTube, and mostly like I think display. So again, tomorrow we will be talking about that. First half we will talk about some concept, guys, that will be keyword, like type and all that, and what is the ad rank formula and all that, we will talk about that. So tomorrow will be again very interesting class. So I hope you guys got your concept clear. What is advertisements, why people spend a lot, and what is difference between organic and like paid, and we need both, guys. We need both. And please start my own ego. Oh, the fantastic. Best of luck. And please fill out XLR team will reach out to you. So again, don't worry, Skanda. So someone from XLR team will reach out to you. A PR is also important. I will talk at the end, don't worry. When I will be ending, I will talk about PR when you will be needing that. So please make sure you guys are filling out the form before you leave. I hope you got your concept today clear about local SEO, and just I have covered very basic of Google Ad. We will be continuing tomorrow, and we will be doing the practical also, and we will be doing the conceptual part also. So first half you can say conceptual, and the second half will be practical. And please make sure you fill out the attendance sheet, guys. Okay, so thank you guys. That's it for today. Enjoy. And those cricket lover, best of luck. Today's India match. I'm also waiting for that. Bye bye, guys. And please
Yeah,
make sure
thank
you
you, Roshan.
fill the form. Yeah, thank you.
So, students, I'm sharing the attendance link in the chat box. So, please mark your attendance. If you have any questions, you can ask me. So, Ashini, don't do like that because it will affect your certificates, both of you. So, use different email IDs, okay? I hope no more questions. So it's good to go. We'll wind up the session and we'll meet on tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. So you will get notes in the LMS. Okay, Meher.